Hi guys, welcome to another giant graphics tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make to clone yourself using your smartphone. Yes, let's get started. We'll be using our CapCut video editor. So I'll be heading straight to my CapCut now. Okay, and I want you to see how you can clone yourself perfectly. Now, before I'm heading to CapCut, I've made my videos already. I made 2 videos where I sat on the 2 sides, okay? And I'll be clicking on, okay, so once I click on new project, I will head straight to where I had those videos, and I'll select them one after the other, okay? Alright. This is the first. Let me just crop out there. So I'll be selecting that one, and you can see it's available on my timeline. Then I'll select the second video as an overlay, okay? So I'll be choosing overlay, add overlay, and I'll select the second video, okay? Okay, and I'll be clicking on that add. Alright, now once I had my video as an overlay, you can see it's actually covering the other one. What do I have to do? So I'll be clicking on mask, okay? I'll click on mask, and I'll be selecting that horizontal, and now you can see it's actually, I'm going to bend it now, and I'll be turning it with my hand, okay? Make sure it's vertical. Make sure it's, I'm sure you're seeing the outcome, okay? Make sure the line is straight and good. You're good to go, okay? We have the video side by side. Here's the video and see what we have.
And I am Loa Shilare. And with me is, it's obvious that we are one. So okay, why do I need to introduce myself? So we'll proceed with the news. First, the headlines.
Alright guys, I hope you're seeing that, and if this video is helpful to you, remember to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because there are more upcoming videos, okay? And these tutorials are going to help you. Yes, you don't have to pay video editor to edit your video. You can do them by yourself using your smartphone. Just make sure you're logged on and your notification bell is on so that whenever we drop a video, you'll be the first to hear about it. All right, guys, see you in our next video. Bye.
All right, we'll be cutting it off here for the news. See you in the next news hour. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.